everyone. Welcome back to Speak Simple English, your go-to English podcast for learning English and improving your life. I'm Ashley, and as always, I'm joined by my fantastic co-host, Kevin. Kevin, how are you doing today?
Hey Ashley, I'm doing great, feeling energized and ready for today's topic. How about you?
I'm doing well too. Actually, I feel relaxed today.
Oh, really? That sounds nice. Why relaxed?
Because I had a very peaceful weekend. And I think today's topic is perfect for that feeling.
Ah, I see. Let me guess. We're talking about weekends today.
Yes, exactly. Today's topic is talk about your weekend.
Oh, I love this topic. It's simple, but very useful.
Yes, it is, because this is something people ask all the time.
Right, like on Monday morning, your coworker comes to you and says, "Hey, how was your weekend?"
Exactly. And then many English learners panic.
Yes. They're like, weekend. Good. Sleep? Food? Yes.
Yes, that's so true.
So today, we're going to help you speak naturally and tell your weekend story like a real English speaker.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll use very simple English.
And we'll speak slowly,
And clearly.
so you can follow easily.
All right, Kevin, let's start with a simple question. How was your weekend?
My weekend was actually really good.
Oh, nice. What did you do?
On Saturday, I woke up a little late.
How late?
Okay, don't judge me.
I'm already judging.
I woke up at 10:30 a.m.
Whoa, that's not a little late. That's very late.
I know, but it felt amazing.
I understand. Sometimes we need that.
Yes, during the week I wake up early, so on weekends I like to rest.
That makes sense.
After I woke up, I made coffee.
Of course, coffee is important.
Very important. Smiles. Then I made a simple breakfast.
What did you eat?
I had eggs, toast, and some fruit.
Oh, that sounds healthy.
Yeah, I tried to be healthy, but later I ate pizza.
There it is, the truth.
Yes, balance, Ashley, balance.
Of course, healthy breakfast, pizza lunch. Perfect.
Exactly.
So, what did you do after breakfast?
I stayed at home for a while and watched a movie.
Oh, nice. What movie?
It was an action movie. Lots of explosions, very loud.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, it was fun, but also a little too long.
I know that feeling.
Then in the afternoon, I met a friend.
Oh, where did you go?
We went to a small cafe.
Nice. I love cafes.
Me too. We talked for about 2 hours.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah, we talked about work, life, and random things.
Those are the best conversations.
They really are.
Did you do anything in the evening?
Yes, but not much. I went home
Okay.
and I watched another movie.
Kevin!
What? It's my weekend.
Fair enough.
What about you, Ashley? How was your weekend?
My weekend was very different from yours.
Oh, really?
Yes, I was very active.
Oh, wow. That already sounds tiring.
A little bit, yes.
So what did you do?
On Saturday morning, I woke up early,
How early?
at 7 a.m.
Wow, that's impressive.
I know, even I was surprised.
So what did you do so early?
I went for a walk.
Oh, that sounds peaceful.
It was. The weather was nice and the air felt fresh.
That sounds really relaxing.
Yes, it helped me feel calm.
Did you go alone?
Yes, I did. Sometimes I enjoy being alone.
I understand that.
After that, I went home and made breakfast.
Let me guess. Something healthy?
Yes, oatmeal and fruit.
Very healthy. No pizza?
No pizza. Not this time.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Then, in the afternoon, I did something different.
Oh, what was it?
I cleaned my apartment.
Oh, wow. Not exciting, but very useful.
Exactly. It made me feel so good after.
Yes, a clean space feels nice.
It really does.
You know, Ashley, I think weekends are very important
Yes, I agree.
because during the week, we are always busy.
Work, study, responsibilities.
Exactly. So the weekend is like a reset.
Oh, I like that word, a reset.
Yeah, it's like pressing a restart button for your life.
That's a great way to say it.
But I think people use their weekends in very different ways.
Yes, that's true.
Some people relax,
Some people go out.
and some people just sleep all day.
That used to be me.
Really?
Yes, when I was younger, I would sleep until noon.
Wow, that's impressive.
Or maybe a little lazy.
No, just tired.
Yes, probably tired.
So, Ashley, let's help our listeners.
Yes, good idea.
Let's teach them how to talk about their weekend step by step.
Perfect. First, always start simple.
Yes, you can say, my weekend was good.
Or, my weekend was relaxing.
Or even, my weekend was busy.
Very simple, but very natural.
Exactly.
Then you can add details.
For example, on Saturday, I stayed at home.
Or, on Sunday, I went out with friends.
Yes.
Let's make a full example.
Okay.
My weekend was great. On Saturday, I watched a movie. On Sunday, I met my friends.
Perfect. That sounds natural and clear. Let's practice together.
Yes.
I'll say a sentence and you answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
How was your weekend?
My weekend was relaxing. I stayed at home and watched TV.
Nice. Very natural.
Thank you.
Now, let's make it more interesting.
Yes, add feelings.
Good point.
You can say, I felt happy.
Or, I felt tired.
Or, I felt excited.
Let me try one.
Go ahead.
I say, my weekend was busy, but I felt happy because I spent time with my family.
That's a perfect sentence.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about plans.
Oh, yes, this is important.
Sometimes people ask, what did you do this weekend?
But sometimes they ask, what are you going to do this weekend?
Right, that's future.
For example, this weekend I'm going to visit my parents.
Or, I'm going to relax at home.
Simple and useful.
Kevin, what are you going to do next weekend?
I think I'm going to go hiking.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I want to spend time in nature.
That sounds very healthy.
I hope so.
I think I'm going to stay home.
Really?
Yes, and watch movies again.
You're becoming like me.
Maybe a little.
Ashley, do you ever have a bad weekend?
Yes, sometimes.
What makes a weekend bad?
For me, if I feel tired the whole time,
Oh yeah, that's not good.
or if I have too much work.
Ah, working on the weekend.
Yes, I don't like that.
Me neither. So how can we talk about a bad weekend?
You can say, my weekend was not very good.
Or I was very busy.
Or I didn't have time to relax.
Yes, that sounds very real. Let me try one.
Okay.
My weekend was not great. I had a lot of work and I felt very tired.
Perfect. That's honest and natural. Now, let's do a real conversation.
Yes, like real life.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, Kevin, how was your weekend?
It was pretty good. I went out with some friends. How about you?
Nice. My weekend was relaxing. I stayed at home and watched a movie.
That sounds great. What movie did you watch?
It was a comedy. It was really funny.
Oh, I love comedy movies.
Me too. They make me feel happy.
See, that sounds very natural.
Yes, and very simple.
You don't need difficult words.
Just clear ideas.
You know, I remember one weekend.
Oh, story time.
Yes, I planned to be very productive.
Okay.
I said I will clean, exercise, and study.
Sounds like a perfect plan.
Yes, but
Uh-oh.
I watched YouTube all day. I did nothing from my plan.
Ugh, that happens to everyone.
Yes, I felt a little guilty.
But also relaxed.
Exactly.
Sometimes we need lazy weekends.
Yes, not every weekend has to be productive.
That's a very important message. You know, Kevin, I really like talking about weekends.
Me too.
It's such a simple topic.
But it tells you a lot about a person,
Exactly.
like what they enjoy
How they spend their time.
and what makes them happy.
Yes, that's very true. For me, weekends are not just about resting.
Oh?
They are also about balance.
I like that word, balance.
Because during the week, we are always busy.
Always doing something.
Yes, but on weekends, we can slow down
Take a break,
and enjoy small things,
like coffee,
like a walk.
or even just doing nothing.
Yes, doing nothing is important too.
Let's teach a few more useful phrases.
Good idea.
You can say, I stayed home.
I went out.
I hung out with friends.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, hang out means spending time casually.
Very natural English.
Another one, I had a quiet weekend.
Or, I had a busy weekend.
Or even, I had a fun weekend.
Simple, but very useful. Let's practice again.
Okay.
Hey, Kevin, how was your weekend?
It was really nice. I hung out with my friends and watched a movie.
That sounds fun. What movie did you watch?
It was a comedy. It made me laugh a lot.
I love that. I had a quiet weekend. I stayed home and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
It really was.
See, this is real English.
Yes, very simple
Very natural.
and very useful.
Kevin, be honest.
Okay.
How many movies did you watch this weekend?
Maybe 3.
Only 3?
Okay, 4.
That's better.
What about you?
I don't want to answer that question.
That means too many.
Yes, too many.
You know, Kevin,
Hmm?
I think talking about simple things like weekends
Yes,
can really help people feel more confident
I agree.
because it's something everyone understands.
And everyone has something to say.
Exactly.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need to start speaking.
Even simple sentences are powerful.
Like, my weekend was good.
That's already a great start.
So let's review everything.
Okay,
To talk about your weekend, you can say,
my weekend was...
good, relaxing, busy, fun.
Then talk about what you did.
I stayed home.
I went out.
I met my friends.
I watched a movie.
And you can add feelings.
I felt happy.
I felt relaxed.
I felt tired.
And don't forget,
Keep it simple.
speak slowly.
Be natural.
You don't need big words.
You don't need perfect grammar.
You just need to talk about your life.
Because your life,
Is your best English practice.
that's a beautiful sentence.
Thank you. Now we have a question for you.
Yes.
How was your weekend?
Tell us in the comments.
Use simple English.
Don't be afraid.
We read every comment.
And we love hearing your stories.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like the video
subscribe to Speak Simple English.
and share it with your friends. Thank you for spending time with us today.
Take care of yourself,
Keep practicing your English
and we'll see you very soon.
in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.